Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you all, and this one is from all from one supplier. What I have in front of me here is the 7 curry box. You all know that 7 curry is a popular set of dishes that is made during fasting season or when you have puja or for any special occasions. So let me open this one up. Let me show you all what you're going to get, and trust me, it's going to be amazing as usual. Everything is still cold and frozen. Wow. So let's talk about what we're going to get. The first container I have here is katahar. We call it shatain in Trinidad, also known as bread nut. So curry katahar. We have curry potato. Next we have bhaji. So I'm not sure if it's dashin bush or if it's chorai bhaji, or if it's spinach. So I'm going to open up everything and I will heat it. I'll taste it and I'll show you guys and tell you guys. We have curry chana, curry mango, yum, pumpkin, my favorite, and dal. Now we need something to eat this with. And what you're going to get is, you are going to get 1 bus-up shot and 1 dhalpuri. So you're going to get 2 rotis to eat with your food. Also, you can also boil some rice and have it with all of the 7 curries. So what I'm going to do is, let me open it up so you guys can see what it looks like in the container, and I'll heat it, taste it, so you guys can also see. So we just set this aside and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and open these. I know you all will know what they look like already, but for everyone else who doesn't, here we have the pumpkin first. Lovely color. Ooh, it smells really good. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. You guys know I love pumpkin. Just look how perfect that looks. So we have the pumpkin. Next, we have the curry chana. We have the katahar. Wow. And I can tell there's coconut milk in there. Oh my god, whoever's cooking their food, they're doing such a good job. This smells so good. Not everyone can cook katahar or shatain or pumpkin for me. So you guys know if I'm showing it, it's because I love it. This is the spinach. So when I heat it up, I'll tell you guys what type of spinach it is. I feel it's dashin bush bhaji. Then we have mango curry. Wow, yum. This is not even heated and it's smelling so good. Here I have the curry potato. Curry potato. And the last one would be the dal. Just want to be careful because this one is liquid. And I'll give it a good stir before I empty it out. So let's empty into a plate so I can heat. So guys, here I heated a piece of the dhalpuri because we're going to be sharing it. I heated a piece of the bus-up shot, and I can tell you guys, the bus-up shot is so soft and silky, and you see all of those layers and flakiness. That's what you want from a bus-up shot. So I heated up the 2 pieces of roti, and here I have the 7 curries that I took out. So let's go in and let's start tasting. Wow. From the time I smelled that pumpkin, I knew it was going to be really good. The bhaji. That's dashin bush. Really tasty. I feel all I'm missing is some mother-in-law because I love pepper. This is mango. Wow. Oh my gosh. Everything is tasting so good. So guys, the food is absolutely delicious. You all know I always promote them, and I'm always showing you guys the different food boxes they have. They have their roti box, their doubles box, all of the different food boxes. You get all of these shipped to the comfort of your home, and it may seem like the containers are small, but I took out a very little bit out of the containers, and look at how much food I still have on my plate after tasting. So even if you have leftovers, you can eat it with rice. That's a good thing about it. So make sure and place your order today for this wonderful salmon curry box. Everything has been absolutely delicious. I want to touch on some other things with you all, so let me put this away in the refrigerator, and then I'll be right back to tell you guys some more amazing things from this company. So I just have a few notes on my phone that I want to go through with you all. Remember, you can order this and have it shipped throughout the United States of America directly to the comfort of your home. Not only can you get food items like this, you can order any amount of roti you want, doubles. You can order all of your pastries, all of your snacks comes directly from them. All from One Supply has all of your West Indian groceries, meats, pastries, all of your dishes, the doubles, the curry duck, the curry goat, the 7 curries that I just showed you all. Everything at one place, which is so convenient, and they ship it directly to your home. Now, All from One Supply is also related to Amaral's Travel. I'm sure you all would have heard about them. Travel Span / Amaral's Travel in the US, Trinidad and Guyana. They have a proven track record of over 27 years of being in business, so you know you're dealing with a very reputable company. So apart from having All from One Supplier doing all of these amazing things for us, we also have Travel Span and Amaral's Travel. Now they have their curry duck competition being held in Cancun, Mexico this year. Host being Raymond Ramnarine. It's being held from July 28th to August 1st. They're also having a Bollywood on the beach, so they're going to have stars from India, Trinidad, Guyana. They have stars like Super Boo, Kenneth Supersad, Soca versus India in the Dominican Republic. So this is going to be in Punta Cana. It's going to be an all-inclusive vacation, and you can contact Travel Span in the USA or Canada, and in Trinidad you can contact Amaral's Travel, and in Guyana you can contact Travel Span GT. So be sure to check them out for the Cancun vacation, the Punta Cana vacation. Book your tickets early because seats are limited, and it's going to be phenomenal, especially Raymond Ramnarine. Oh my gosh. So maybe I'll be there, you never know. Let's see how I feel about traveling, and maybe you might see me there. So guys, be sure to order your 7 curry box or your doubles box or your roti box, your duck. They ship the fresh Muscovy duck frozen to your home, and you can make your backyard lime with that. Everything that you want, your gilbacca fish, everything from Guyana, they will ship it directly to the comfort of your home. So make sure go check them out. I'll leave their link in the description box for you all. Check out their vacation packages, truly amazing packages, and let me know what you all think. So thank you all so much for joining me, and thank you to All from One Supplier, Travel Span and Amaral's Travel for today's video. Bye everyone.